Hey my beautiful people, so welcome back to my channel, and this video is another DIY conditioner week. It would just be focused on bananas. So I usually do avocados and bananas mixed with some oils and aloe vera gel, but this week I just wanted to use bananas and honey as my two main ingredients, and I added all my oils and also aloe vera gel. This is how it looks. It smells just like bananas, of course. I say like 2 bananas for my hair, and then I just added an extra one because I made some extra for my sister because I am a loving sister. But bananas is really good for you. It helps with the manageability of the hair, and it also moisturizes your scalp. It's really high in potassium, natural oils, and vitamins will help soften the hair. So if you're having any trouble with like brittle hair or your hair and your scalp is not moisturized, bananas is the way to go. So what I just like to do with my conditioners, because my hair is so thick, I just initially slap it on and then I go in section by section with the deep conditioner.
To make sure that everything is coated, so that's why I do my hair in sections when applying any product, especially my deep conditioner. Separating my hair, just making sure I use every bit of the deep conditioner. And yes, I'm pouring every bit of this DIY deep conditioner that I made onto my hair because every bit counts, and I want to make sure that my hair is well moisturized for this winter weather.
Alright, so after all of it is applied, I then just like to clip my hair up, put on a conditioner cap, and let it sit for, I say like 30 to 45 minutes. Or if you like to get that extra penetration into your scalp and into your hair cuticles, you can sit under a hooded dryer. So either way, you can wait for like 30 to 45 minutes or sit under a hooded dryer. Okay, so these are the results. Another win in the books for at-home deep conditioner. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you. I hope you try the conditioner, and I'll see you next time. Bye.